Hi, this is Dawn Spence, and I'm with the SPED Homeschool. I'm the teaching manager and also part of the review crew. And today I'm bringing to you from LakiKid a weighted lap animal, and I'll let you be surprised at what you see here in a second. So I haven't opened this box yet. I'm very excited. My daughter is very excited. She wants to use this right away. So let's see what we got here. While I was waiting to receive the package, they sent me an ebook that you can download free, and it different ways that you can do different seating. And it is full from a classroom perspective, but you could totally adapt that to your homeschool, because we know that not all learners want to sit in a chair for, there's different things. And I went over their website and they've got a lot of great sensory tools and adaptability things that you can use for your classroom. So if seating in your classroom or the sensory component needs some help, I would suggest going out to their website. They also have a LakiKid Club where they present videos, parenting tips, teacher ideas. So if your kid is struggling in this area, I would suggest going out to there. So without further ado, let's check this out. It's very nice. And we have a lot of like information on our website too, for kids who have sensory issues, from intellectual disabilities all the way to autism. So you can check that out. So this is what your box would look like. It's a weighted animal lap pad. It says perfect for sensory stimulation, provides deep pressure to reduce anxiety, keeps the wiggles and the fidgets away, and perfect buddy at school, at home, or while traveling. That's great for the car. I didn't even think about that. Car trips can be overwhelming, and trips to the doctor's office can be overwhelming. So maybe this is something that can be taken in the car to help that. Oh, I'm already feeling it. It feels wonderful. So here is our guy. Oh, he is so soft. Oh my goodness. My daughter is going to love this. If you have to have just something laying on your lap while you're doing school, I can see just like having one hand on it. It's so soft, and doing some writing. I can also see like in the car, being on the lap to like kind of give that deep pressure. Let's see, there's a card in here. Let's see what it says. It gives you the history of why they did it. You can join, there's a free mystery gift that you can put on there. You can, like, a QR code, so you could win something. So it's really cool. It talks about how LakiKid was started. It was started back in 2017 to help this Keanu, who had autism and ADHD. And they were in Japan and there wasn't a lot there. So I love that when people create things. There's a picture there for just because we need it. So that's great. It also goes about like, how do you do it? What would it be for? And it says that it can decrease restlessness. So if you have a kid that maybe has a struggle sleeping at night, or they're having medical interventions at night, I could see you using this. Can help with aggression, attention, homework issues, anxiety, focusing, sensory seeking, trouble at school, and more. My daughter had a regular lap weighted blanket, and she was not, even though we made it out of minky, she wasn't very attached to it. So I can see how, like, both using an animal that is so soft and so cuddly, and the weighted at the same time. I think it weighs about 5 pounds is what it said. If you look inside, here is your weighted. So you could, I don't think I was trying to see if it detaches. I could see this being very easily wiped down if there's any kind of issue where your child gets sick. I can see it being very easy to wipe down. So there's where the weights are. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's just like, I feel like it's a good compromise. Like, it's just the right. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. So after this video, I'm going to go hand this to my daughter. She's been waiting for this video and she cannot wait to use this little guy. So I would say 100% this would be something for your kids who need help with anxiety or just need that that sensory integration. And they need something soft at the same time. I would say that this would be great. Check out their website. They have a lot more different tools, like from seating and to other sensory. So for LakiKid, I give this a 10 out of 10 for functionality, for just the way the product is made. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. So this is Dawn Spence from the Review Crew. Check this out at LakiKid.com and start looking at all the sensory things they have for you.